Hello everybody. Question 4 tests your understanding about Avogadro number and also about concept of molecule atom. I asked about what is the number of hydrogen atoms in 2 mole of molecule ammonia. So H3, okay? So each mole has 3 moles of hydrogen molecules. So 2 moles has times 3, altogether 6 mole of hydrogen molecules. Okay, so multiply our Avogadro number with 6. Okay, you work it out. Okay, no need for the calculator, of course. 36.1 times 10 to the power 23. Know this question. Why? There's no this answer. Why? This one 3.61. 10 to the power 24. Move it up. Okay, right. So it becomes 3.61. And then 10 to the power 24 instead. They are the same. Got it? Well done. So the answer is D. See you for next question.